Morning, girl. Come on. Sama ka sa amin. You sama? To the market? Okay, give that to daddy na. Shallow's turn naman ngayon. To go to the market. Okay. Excuse po. Excuse po. Ha?
What is this?
Buko later.
Stella, do not touch.
Kaya mong umikot muna.
Bukas na to. Bukas. Bukas yan.
Find the pig.
Pig's head. Face to face kami sa pig. You will look at the pig last.
Bing, that's the pig's head, baby. It's fine. Huh? It's dead now already.
Let's go. Thank you.
Kailan po pa naman? For siya po.
Ay, ito ba biscuit? At ilagay sa
Madaming tao. Nakaharang. Nakaharang ako sa daan. Wait.
Kaya kuya, ano? Yep.
Doon ako sa kabila. Diyan na.
May ulo din na kasama. Ay, kasama kang baby. Angel. Hindi na kasama ka, ano pa. Talagang nakaplano. Tawa siya, o tingnan mo. Nakaplano.
Say hi. Say hi.
Ocean Park. Ocean Park. You want to see fish? Want to see fish? Hindi yan. 20.
Ay, iya ka po.
Apat na kayo. Yung sulit na maliit.
Shello, look at the fish.
Dahil piraso na, malalaki na.
The fish are jumping. Yeah, meron ka lang sa harapan. Oops.
Aba, igagay na lang hindi ni Perry. Nagpatay daw siya ng bata.
Pati mami, mili daw.
Plastic na lang. Huwag na. Okay na. Oh, let's go. Paano siya lang nasabit? Oh, let's go na. Dito ako para may video. Mal, yung paa ha, sasabit, yung nasa likod. Itong pampano eh.
Pampano.
Kano pala ko ito?
600.
Pampano?
Oh yan, sige. What's that? Snake?
No, it's a
Okay,
eel.
kulang yung kanupay. Pampano natin.
Pampano na lang. Ha? Aray ko. Naumpog na.
Magkano ba?
Car on top. What?
Where's Daddy?
What is behind us? Dapat na to sa puppy. Puppy. Bibili sana kami ng gata. Close ang gata. Ay ba? Meron dito. Meron pala. Gata. Apo, kalahati lang po. Chelo, come on. Daddy's there. Bibili din po ako ng tanglad, mami. Papabili rin ng pochi.
Yung hipochi.
Pochi.
You want juice?
Big ones. Big ones. Big ones. Big ones. Check a big. It's big. It's big. Check if it's big. Big. Okay. Big. Big.
Yeah, tingnan.
Wait lang. Okay, one last. Okay, that's enough. Enough na, enough. Let's get tomato. Oh, that's enough, that's enough. Let's go to the tomatoes. Come here, come here. Let's go. Tsaka yung isa man. The green ones, the green ones. Pick 5. Big. This one. 3. Ah, sige. 4, 5. Ay, make it one more. Add one more. Okay. Kano po ano?
Water break.
Water break. Juice break. Juice
Uhaw
break.
na.
Nauhaw. Nauhaw na ang daddy. Ako. Namimili muna ng luya. Ganda dito may hangin. Hindi masyadong malaki. Yan? Okay. Sa pasamaan eh. You'll drink first. About mami as well. Mami.
Give mommy.
Kuha ka.
Yummy.
Daddy, may ako face mask.
You gonna remove? Yeah. Oh, enough na. It's too cold.
Make it warm first. Later again, ha?
Yum. Yummy?
Yes.
This
Yes.
again later.
Bibili kang paminta.
Tingin si mami, anak. Salamat, anak. God bless.
Thank you po. Alay. That's big. Shelo, not the big ones.
Find the green, color green.
Hey, green.
Bili ka ng pagkain.
lagaw dyan, pangulo yung daga, pangulo yung lagaw.
It's alright. Oh, get it, get it. Yeah, umupo na. Napagod na. Nakaluhod na. Open yan.
Ha? Want to see anything? Oh, we're going down. Look at there. Hey! It's dangerous there.
Wow.
Is that wow? Is that wow? Huh? Oh, we're moving down. It's downward. Do not hold my hand, Kakaron.
Dahan.
Oh. Here goes. Making me hold. Going down. Oh, ikat na. This is our weekly scenario. Oh, danger side. Daig pa daw nag-gym, sabi ni Daddy, oh. Oh. Pag sa bigat nun. Come on. We will go to our suki sa buko. Coconut. Ito, suki namin sa buko. Morning po. 5 po, kuya. Ha?
Hindi na kayo sa kabila. Oh, go. Just big apple.
I say, we're going home na, guys. I'm tired na. Do not remove. I say, what can you say about our market? And what about your experience in buying our food?
Mommy and Daddy just carry me.
Daddy carry you
And you, Mommy.
and me.
I was a baby. You think I'm a baby.
Oh, nagpapakarga ka lagi? Ha? How about seeing the fish?
I see the fish too. I see the fish jump.
You saw the fish jumping? You saw the fish jumping?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That is up in the eye.
Oh.
Way high up.
Pauwi na rin. Pagod na siya. Kanina nag-ano na. Muntik na siyang mag-tantrums. Sabi niya, I'm so tired na, mommy. Are you going to join mommy and daddy going to the market pa? Yeah?
Yeah, it's going on.
With Primo, we cannot carry you both. Both of you.
Wait, but he go with me. Will we go with daddy?
You will go with me and daddy will go with Kuya Primo? Ha? Yeah? Oh no. Mahirap na pag dalawang bata na.